Hello everyone, my name is Hwa Chong,
I am Jared.
and today we'll be making chicken burritos and chicken quesadilla.
For our ingredients, we have cheese, tortilla wraps, and Greek yogurt.
Here is our chicken and our chicken seasonings. We have paprika, black pepper and salt, really simple. And we have some vegetables that's to put inside the chicken burritos and chicken quesadilla. So now I'm going to be cutting the vegetables. I'm going to mince the garlic, I'm going to cut the bell peppers. Cut the vegetable first. You can just align it like this and go for a general chop. Around this size will be good to be putting inside the wraps. You don't want it too big. For example, these leaves are a bit bigger, just cut it in half. Now my chicken, I'm going to be adding some salt. Some salt, it's okay. You don't need to, it's not very even right now, but it's okay. I'm going to be rubbing in my hands later. And some paprika over here. Smoked paprika over here. I got some black pepper. And now I'm just going to mix it in. You should wear gloves for this process, by the way, because it gets under your nails. Here I have my marinated chicken breast. Let it sit for 3-4 hours, let the flavors really sink in. Now I'm gonna fry my chicken. Heat it up. Heat up the pan. Add a bit of oil. So what I'm gonna do is after adding oil, I'm gonna wait until there's a bit of smoke. A little bit of smoke. The pan is hot enough to sear things like chicken. Spread the oil around. So now there's a bit of smoke coming out. I'm going to add my chicken in. You always want to lay your chicken away so the oil doesn't set into you. Lay away. So now the heat is around medium. If it's getting too hot, just turn it out. If it's getting not hot enough, and thanks for getting enough heat, just turn it down. Wait around a minute. Then flip. For chicken, the issue is you must cook it too thoroughly, but you cannot overcook it, or it's going to get too dry. But unlike beef or steak, for example, you can cook it, for example, medium rare, so it's kind of nice. You see, I got a really good sear here, really good char. It's gonna bring out a lot of flavor. So these are the finished chicken look like. I've cut open everything to make sure it's cooked. You can see in the middle here, it's all cooked. And I've seared the outside. It's got nice. Inside is red. It's a bit crispy. Seared. You can. I'm gonna take it over. I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces, in small little chunks. it into bite-sized chunks like this to put into a wrap. Okay, then done, right? So now my tortilla wraps, I just bought it from the supermarket. Just separate it and warm it up in the microwave. So now I'm making a sauce. I've added black pepper and I'm adding paprika. How much you like, how much you add is based off your preference. Now just mix it up. A little bit more. Okay, if it's like this, it's okay. So now I have my warmed up tortilla. A bit of sauce here. Spread it like this in the middle. Next, we add a bit of cheese. Next, we put on our vegetable. Now we add in our meat. Okay, now just wrap it up. That's a big burrito. Okay, you roll it like this, put it like this, just wrap it up tightly. And there you have it, you have a burrito now. So for the quesadillas, it's basically the same, but it's slightly different. Put the cheese down here, put your fillings, in this case it's vegetables, down on one side. So the core essence is, the cheese is gonna get melted, and you flip it over, and you can eat it like that. We have our chicken here. Here's our chicken. So we just microwave it. And that's for you. Okay, so now after that, you can just take it out. See, the cheese is nice and melted over here. What we do now is, I have my sauce over here. I got some sauce here, the same sauce as just now. Just apply to the other side. Apply to the other side. And just fold it over and we're done for quesadillas. Why we don't add the sauce straight away is because for quesadillas we have to melt the cheese slightly longer, and I don't want the sauce to curdle because this is yogurt after all. And we're done. You just cut it up and eat.